Hi folks, Lee here and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another plane spotting video at Prestwick. Not done anything with the channel in a while and I'm going to do another video later on, sort of just talking about the channel. But for now we've got this video. I just thought I'd go down to Prestwick and kind of shake the rust off a little bit and go and see some planes, see what was there. I've actually missed quite a lot. Because I've just been really busy lately. As I says, I'll explain that maybe in its own video. One of the really cool things that's on the ground just now is this C-130 with the blue tail. It's US, it's part of the National Science Foundation. Specifically, it's a research platform for the National Centre for Atmospheric Research, so quite an unusual one, quite cool. As you can see, there's some C-17s there as well. Thankfully, it was quite a busy little stint because we had this Jet2 737 doing some circuit training. It got interrupted quite a bit by all things going out and all things coming in. So I managed to catch it doing a full stop landing before it had to go and hold for a little while a Ryanair was going out, so you'll see that in a little second as well. But yeah, you'll get to see it come in here. And now with that Jet2 in the ground, you'll see the Ryanair coming out. This one's going to Lanzarote. So yeah, good to see. I was only down for about an hour, but I managed to catch a couple of things, which was quite good. So yeah. I quite liked getting this nice shot of the Ryanair going past that quite unique C-130. I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah. And then as we see the Ryanair flying off into the distance, we've got the Jet2 taxiing back up to the runway again, and then it's going to resume a bit of circuit practice and then get interrupted again by Air France Cargo coming in, which we'll see in a second. So aye, busy little day, and I was only down for around an hour, so yeah, pretty cool. And then we've got the Air France Cargo 777 coming in. I'm pretty sure I've seen this exact one before in videos, and it's arriving from Chicago, so that's quite a long flight. But yeah, I always love seeing the big 777s coming in. I always think that's quite cool. You know, the 777s and the 747s as well. Yeah, pretty impressive stuff. And again, it was a really good, a really kind of sunny day. In fact, you can actually see I think the Jet2 in the distance there as well. So, yeah, they were both kind of operating together, and the Jet2 came in pretty soon after this one. So, aye, it was pretty cool. And then to finish us off, we've got a touch and go from the Jet2 coming in again. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, I'm hoping to continue doing these videos. As I says, I might, you know, do another video kind of explaining where I think the channel's going. As always, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, leave a like. If you hated it, leave a dislike. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you'd like to see more of this content, then please do subscribe. Bye, folks.